In this video, let us look into some results on subsets. Alright, here we are with one of the results on subsets, which says every set is a subset of itself. So now how do you explain this? Let A be a set, alright? Now clearly every element in A belongs to A, right? It is a subset of itself. Meaning each element of A is clearly in A itself. So hence you can say that A is a subset of A. Right, so that's a little simple explanation for this one, although I would say that it is pretty much self-explanatory. Let's look into the next result on subset. Another result on subset. This is an even simpler one, I'd say. The empty set is a subset of every set. So let A be any set and say phi. Phi is usually the symbol that is used to represent an empty set, right? So in order to show that phi is a subset of A, so this is phi that is used to represent an empty set. To show that phi is a subset of A, so in order to show that phi is a subset of A, we must show that every element of phi is an element of A also. Okay, so but phi contains no element. So every element of phi is in A, logically speaking. So hence phi is a subset of A, or rather empty set is a subset of every set. In this case, empty set is a subset of A. Let's look into another result on a subset. Alright, here we are with another result on subset, and a little more important. It says the total number of subsets of a finite set containing n elements is 2 to the power n. For example, say we have a set A which is equal to 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 elements in all. So how many subsets can this have? You just do 2 to the power of 3 because it's got 3 elements. 2 to the power of 3 is what? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So there can be 8 different subsets for this. You just, it's just a matter of just shuffling them and writing it. Say, for example, a subset of A, it can be B can be just 1, this is a subset of A, C can be simply 2, D can be simply 3, and E can be simply 1 and 2, and so on. So all these are subsets of A, and there are 8 such kind of subsets. You just have to shuffle it and write it, and you'll get 8 subsets. So this result is going to be useful, if there's a question like, okay, how many subsets does this set have? All you have to do is just count the number of elements in that particular set, and then write 2 to the power of that number, and then whatever answer you get is the number of subsets that particular set has. All right, so that ends some results on subsets, and yeah, these are pretty simple results, and it would help if you can get yourself really familiarized with all these results. So it's gonna really save you a lot of time while solving problems on sets. All right, so that ends this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more concepts of problems based on sets.